Today I'm sharing one daily exercise that seriously transformed my piano playing. It's like a secret weapon that sharpens your chords, your theory, your speed, everything, and hardly anyone talks about it. I use this myself to get better at playing the songs I love, and if you practice it daily, it's going to unlock a whole new level for you too. So let's dive in. Now, before I show you this magical, wonderful exercise, I need to explain to you what the circle of fifths is. Just very briefly. This is not going to be a deep dive on the circle of fifths, it's just going to be a very quick overview. So basically, here's what the circle of fifths looks like. It's basically like a musical map that shows the relationships between different keys in music. So you can start at any note, and moving clockwise, each step to the next note represents going up by a perfect fifth. But what the heck is a perfect fifth? This is what a perfect fifth is. For example, going from C to G is 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a perfect fifth. That's a very brief summary of what a perfect fifth is. So from C on the circle of fifths, you go to G, a fifth up from C, and then D to A, and so on. The circle of fifths helps musicians understand how keys are related to each other. Keys next to each other on the circle share a lot of similar notes. It's like a musical roadmap that helps you understand the relationships between different keys. So basically, if we look at the circle, we can see all of the different keys in music, and they're rotating around in the circle of fifths because it goes around in fifths, like I said. Again, because the circle of fifths has every key in music, it's really helpful. If you want to learn more about it, I have a full deep dive in this video. Quick question, are you still struggling to learn piano on your own or bouncing around random tutorials on YouTube? If you want to finally start playing your favorite songs quickly and without all the confusion, I recommend watching my free training. In this training, I'll walk you through the exact steps I take my students through to go from zero to playing their favorite songs in months, not years. I focus on teaching you chords first, just like in this video, so you can play songs immediately. Click the link in the description to get instant access to the training and start playing songs you love now. Okay, so now let's get to the magical exercise. So here's what I do with the circle of fifths. Let's say I want to practice all of the major chords in the whole world. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to play through all of the major chords by going through the circle of fifths in order. So for example, I would practice all of my major chords by going like this. And then back to C. So if I go through the circle of fifths, that helps me go in a nice, certain order, and it helps me cover practicing all of the major chords. Now this is going to help you get better at it and get you faster at playing chords. So watch this. I'm going to turn on the metronome, and I'm going to put it at 60. So at first, if you're a beginner and you're really new at this, you could go in 4 counts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're just going to go around the circle just like this for each chord. And I would do that for the whole exercise. Then you could speed it up and do 2 counts like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and keep going around the circle of fifths like that. And once you get really good at it, you would do 1 count. And you go around the whole circle of fifths like that. So this is a really great way to practice all of the different chords. So you could go through all of your major chords around the circle of fifths with your metronome, keep making it faster and faster and faster. Then you could do the same thing with literally any type of chord. So you could do it with minor chords and go around C minor to G minor, D minor to A minor, and so on. And then you could add other types of chords like diminished chords or seventh chords and go around the circle of fifths just like that. It's not going to be the prettiest thing you've ever heard. So my last tip for this is to keep a really nice handy chart on hand. And you can use that chart to write down major, minor, diminished, and so on, and all the different types of chords. And use that chart to keep track of where you are in your speed. So for example, you could say major chords, 60 beats per minute, whole notes, which is 4 beats. Minor chords, 60 beats per minute, whole notes. Stuff like that on your chart. And then that way you keep track and you keep writing down where you are. You'll notice your progress. You'll notice that you're speeding up, and it kind of gives you a visual, and again, helps you keep track of where you are. Daily dedication is key here. Spend a little time each day on this exercise, and if you do that, you're going to watch your skills grow and your knowledge of chords just expand. Are you tired of feeling stuck and frustrated with your piano practice? I get it. It's hard to stay consistent without the right roadmap. If you're ready for a structured, proven method that will get you from beginner to playing your favorite songs quickly, you need to check out my free training. In this training, I'll show you exactly how I teach my students, giving them feedback and a step-by-step path to help them play their favorite songs fast. Consistency is key, and I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. Click the link below for access to my free training and start playing your favorite songs today. And if this video helps you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.